We are assembling one of the monster mug boxes. I'll show you what we have included. There is a black cat, a zombie, a ghost, a pumpkin, a skeleton, Mrs. Frankenstein, and Frankenstein. Now they all go together exactly the same way, and these boxes are 1.5 inches wide. At the widest 4 1/4, and at the tallest point 6 1/4. Okay. So we are going to assemble the Dracula. And here he is. So this is how your pieces come. The Dracula has the most pieces. That's why I thought I would assemble him with you. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my handles together. So there is a accent piece. You just want to kind of center that there. These are just like the Christmas mug boxes. And I thought, well, Halloween's another time that there's classroom parties and parties. So I thought these would be cute to use. So then you just glue these together. Don't glue your tabs together. I think this project would be easy enough to do with your kids if they wanted to do some for the classroom. They go together pretty quick. If you don't want them this big, it's pretty simple to just scale them down. Make sure when you're doing this that you're flipping it opposite. And I'm just squeezing it at the top and the bottom, and then once I get both sides in place, I will do the whole length of it from the inside. Okay, and that is the box. Okay, then if you want your drips over the side of your mug to be a different color than your whipped topping, I mean, you can just use that like that if you want, but you do have this option of making this a different color. And you will want to put your face on first. And I like to just, so you want to put it on the side that has the straw. And I'm using my table to make sure that's lined up to the bottom. And then my fingers to make sure it's lined up edge to edge. There we are. Then your straw is going to fit right there. Oops. Okay. Then we've got a set of teeth. And you're just going to line those right up to the curve of the mouth. Just want to make sure I've got those down good. Okay. And then the eyes are going to fit right in that space. And then little peoples. And so again, all of these are going to go together the same way. You have Dracula, the black cat, the skeleton, Frankenstein, Mrs. Frankenstein, a zombie. I don't know if I get all those in frame. A ghost, and the pumpkin. Thank you for joining me. Oh, well, look at that. Now that I stand up, I see that I can fit them all in frame.